So this week's lesson is something that I think is vitally important for all artists to know and understand. However, it's also something that a lot of artists struggle with, myself included. Sketchbooks. Now, before we get started in this overwhelming topic that is a sketchbook, let me explain why sketchbooks are quite intimidating for some artists, and actually most artists. You see, as artists, we get in this mindset that we have to make perfect things in everything that we do. A sketchbook is not that. A sketchbook is a way for you as an artist to develop and practice. That's what a sketchbook is. It is your journey from you wanting to learn how to do something into actually learning how to do it. It's breaking down things into basic shapes. It's trying to figure out how lines work, how color works, how things blend together. It's a sketchbook. It's not supposed to be a final draft of anything. Because of that, you can leave your initial lines alone. You can leave your pencil drawings. If you just want to add in a little bit of color in some areas, you can. A sketchbook is not meant to be perfect. I have so many sketchbooks, and they each are drawings that I have done trying to get better at certain things. And none of them are perfect. Your lesson is you are going to be creating and filling in sketchbook pages like this. This was a one-day study that I did on Huskies. I literally just went on Google, I typed in Huskies and drew some pictures that I found on there. And that's literally it. That's all I did. With your sketchbook assignment that you're going to have this week, every day, I want you to pick a subject matter and I want you to work on that subject matter. And I want you to fill out a full spread like this, or at least attempt to, every day. I have right here my basic lines that I used. I left this as a sketch drawing. This is your way to learn. But not only that, sketchbooks are meant to be things that you travel with. So you don't have to have a large amount of supplies in order to do this. I just used this right here. It's literally a pen, a pencil, with an eraser, and some colored pencils. That's it. You don't have to be perfect with it. And if you want to use markers, you can. If you want to use all pencil, that's fine too. The point is, you are going to be spending every day this week for the entire class researching and trying to draw and fill in an entire page with your drawings. So like I said, your assignment for this week, I want you to try and do a spread of artworks like this on a page or in your sketchbook where you are researching something every day. If you want to research the same thing for multiple days, that's perfectly fine, but you're still going to be drawing, you're going to be sketching it, and you're going to try and get better at it because that is the point of a sketchbook. It's not supposed to be perfect. Leave your lines in there if you want to. Thank you all very much. I hope that you have a deeper understanding of sketchbooks after this, and I also hope that you enjoy the lesson.